This is Varus. He thought he was a genius. He was wrong. This is Arminius, Rome's bestie. Actually, a double agent. Arminius said, "Hey, Varus, shortcut through these creepy woods."
Bam! Ambushed. 3 whole Roman legions. Gone.
It was Rome's bigger disaster. Emperor Augustus was heartbroken.
Rome's reaction?
Nope, we are staying on our side of the river forever.
Because Rome stopped right there. The Rhine River became a giant cultural wall.
On the left, everything stayed Roman. Fancy stone roads, marble baths, and central heating on the right. The Germanic tribes kept their own traditions and stayed wild.
This is where it gets cool, because they weren't talking to each other. Their languages evolved separately. The Roman side kept speaking Latin-style words, which became French, Spanish, and Italian. The other side kept their Germanic roots, giving us German, Dutch, and even bits of English.
It wasn't just words being separated, meant they developed different ways to make rules, different games, and even different ways to pray. That one bad day in the woods created 2 completely different versions of Europe.
Even 2,000 years later, you can still see the Varus line on a map. All because a guy named Varus took a shortcut through the woods.